Welcome back to GreenTGarden. So you're probably wondering, what is this? So this right here is a soil and compost rotary sifter. Basically, all your leftover soil and compost, you dump it in here. And if you're trying to reuse your soil, all you do is dump it in here and you mix it like this. And you see in the bottom right there, everything is coming right through, giving you fluffy and soft soil. Basically leaving all your bricks and stone and sticks and whatever. You're gonna notice, if you buy a bag of soil from the store and you dump it in here, you're gonna be amazed to see how much like mulch and wood chip that comes out and stay in the top. Sometimes people buy the pot and mix soil, and you're gonna use that for seed your plants or seedling inside. You gotta understand, you gotta take out those wood chips and take out those mulch to get soil, because the plant needs soil. Wood chip and mulch inside of the soil is no benefit. If it's inside of the soil, it's not a benefit. If you use it on top of the soil for help your soil for weed or moist, well then it works. But if it's inside, it does not make any sense. This is why you want to get your hand on a machine like this. Came nicely in a box, and we're gonna show you what's inside the box. So this is easy, you know, if you don't want to build one. If you don't want to go to Lowe's or Home Depot to buy wood, to buy the mesh and get screw and all that stuff, you could just get one of these. So it comes with all the adjustment, and they send a nice gloves how it's supposed to be, and it tells you right there. It's really easy to put together. Finished putting this together. It took me about 10 minutes. You can see the handle right here. It's a good quality. It's like steel, really strong, made well. Check in the description box for price and detail, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna dump in some old soil. Look, they're clumps up, so we're gonna dump it in. Put a container in the bottom. I'm gonna pick it up later on because I do not have any container to fit that spot, so that's the one other thing. All right, so you basically just turn it like this, and look, right through the bottom is all healthy soil coming down there, fluffy, smooth, getting all the big woods or rocks or anything above here will stay above in here, and then you could get rid of those. And this is easy. You just spin it, and then you could go counterclockwise too and get everything fluffy and nice and soft. So this is a really big plus when you're reusing your soil or you're doing compost. All right, so look right here. Look at this. Look, see that? Amazing. No kind of bricks, rocks, any object that's gonna affect your plant from growing. Especially if you're gonna reuse your soil, this is a plus. Or your compost, it helps. And look at that, all you do is spin this and literally getting all your soil coming out. And this is all stuff that we probably would have blended in there. And sometimes, you know, you wonder like why your plant is not growing the best, or you wonder what's, you know, if we need more fertilizer, what's blocking it. Sometimes, you know, some of the soil that we buy has more mulch and has more wood chip than any other thing than soil. So that's a good thing. You buy a bag of soil, toss it in here, and leave. Look, get all the wood chips out. Look, see, all the wooden debris and stuff we don't need. All right, thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. You can see behind me, it's a lot of mess in the garden right now. I'm trying to clean up. Listen, check in the description box if you want more details about this. It's not bad. It's a pretty good handy thing in your garden. If you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. I'm in Long Island, New York. We're in fall time, and it's all about fall crops growing right now. The bunnies that eat out all my plants back there, but I did seed before, and I think I still have time for pak choy, more lettuce and other stuff, what I could get my hands on right now, beans and stuff like that. So thank you so much for everybody who's been watching. I'll see you guys next time on GreenTGarden.